Thank you, Mr. Milken. Honestly, it obviously changes my life completely, my wife's life, my newborn's life that we just had. So, before I start, this is the power of Drake, I want you to raise your hand if you've been in my class, or I've tutored you, or you've been on the soccer or cheer team, or you've had a brother or a cousin or a sister that was in my class. And right there's the power of Drake. This is a community school. You guys can put your hands down. So I've told this before, I've worked at Drake for 19 years. It's the only school I've worked at. My first year working here, Maritza, your sister was in my class. Her name was Alejandra. This year, Maritza's in my class. The last of 6 siblings in the Sanchez family. They live 2 houses down from where our playground ends. And that's the power of Drake, that we know you guys so well. And our teachers stay here forever because it's a place like that you would never want to leave. And you appreciate what you have when you're here. Obviously, I share this award with all of my colleagues. You guys inspire me and make me better every single day as a teacher. I know that if I was not doing my job, the kids would hold me accountable. The teachers also hold me accountable. And I think that's more important, that we work together as a group to do something bigger than just individually in our classrooms. And a special shout out to Mrs. Carpinella, who's truly made me the best version of myself since I've worked with her. I'll just finish by saying we all work together, and this is not an end, it's a beginning. And for my soccer team, that you guys and girls, I don't think we ever have to worry about having balls that say pumped up anymore. I think I can handle that, okay? Thank you.